Good morning children. Today we will do revision of Unit 4 Chapter 1, The Man, the Girl and the Gun. The title suggests that there will be two main characters in this lesson, the man and one girl, right? And one more heading is there, one more word is there in the heading, that is gun. So I think that gun is also playing a vital role in this chapter. Let me tell you what happened in this lesson. The man who committed some crime at one place and he was trying to run off from that place by using a train. He was sitting on one berth in one coach in the train. Beside him, a girl was sitting reading a book. The man was thinking that police might be waiting for him on the next station. So that is why he wanted someone to put gun on his or her head and flew off, trying to fly off from the station, right? Just to self-protection, he wanted somebody to keep the gun over. He thought that the girl is sitting by, she is all alone and easily she could be in his control. That is why she wrote one note for the girl. For that, first he took out a piece of paper, and he was not having anything to write. So that's why he asked for a pencil or pen from the girl sitting near to him. The girl offered him a pencil. The man wrote a notice in the piece of paper, on the piece of paper. He wrote that he has a gun with him, and if she shout or do something, then he might have killed her. So such a way he wrote a note and handed over to the girl. The girl wrote that, right? And suddenly, with the trick, the gun came to the girl's hand. How this all happened, that you have already seen in the animation video of the lesson. Let's go for the revision of question answer, the man, the girl and the gun. Let's begin. Sorry. Who was waiting for the man at the next station? Why was he waiting? The question is, who was waiting for the man at the next station? Why was he waiting? The cops means policemen. The cops would be waiting at the station. I repeat, the cops would be waiting at the station. They were waiting to nab means catch him when he stepped onto the platform. I repeat, they were waiting to nab means catch him when he get off from the train onto the platform. Okay, easy question. Answer. What two things did the man ask the girl for? He asked for a pencil and the spelling of the word business. I repeat, he asked for a pencil. First, when he was writing a note, he was not having something to write down. So that's why he asked for pencil or pen from the girl. He asked for a pencil and the spelling of the word business. What crime or crimes had the man committed? Committed means done. What crime? He was a criminal. As I told you in the summary of lesson, he was a criminal and he was running from one place to another. So what type of crime he had done? The man had robbed a bank. Robbed means taken all the cash and valuables from the bank, and had also killed the man who tried to stop him from running away with the money. Maybe some security guard or some person will be there who was trying to stop him when he was running away with the money of bank. The man had robbed a bank and had also killed the man who tried to stop him from running away with the money. He had tricked the cops and evaded arrest. He had tricked means made foolish, and evaded arrest. Evaded means anyhow avoided the arrest of him. Okay. Next one. How did the girl overpower the man? See, man was having gun with him. He also gave warning to the girl not to shout or say something, speak anything. So, how with the trick, with her own wisdom, she could overpower the man. How did that happen? She asked him to pull the shade down. She asked him to pull the shade. Shade means some curtain down. When he was wrestling with the shade, and when his back was turned for a moment, she stole the gun from his pocket. Right? When he was putting the curtain down or wrestling means troubling with the shade, and when his back, if you know that, if you have knowledge that if you are traveling through the train, then there are two types of windows, right? One is for just to make everything dark, means air can pass inside, but you cannot look outside, and one is the glass window, right? So when the girl told to put the shade down, that time the man just turned back for a moment, and she immediately stole his gun from his own pocket. When he turned back, she was holding his gun on him. He realized that she had overpowered means she was much better. She was having more power than him. By trick, she could get the gun from the criminal. Okay, so that was the answer. What was the man's plan? How did he plan to use the girl? Right? Use only, D will not come. The question is, what was the man's plan? How did he plan to use the girl? The man's plan was to move out of the train with the woman beside him. Beside means near him at the gunpoint, so that he could safely move out from the station with his friend Joe, who he thought was waiting for him with a car. Right? He was having one more friend, just like criminal like him. He was waiting outside of the station in his car. He thought that. Actually, he was present there or not, I don't know. So, man's plan was there. At gunpoint, he could take the help of woman and safely move out from the station. Means cops could not arrest him. Right? He planned to take the girl hostage and escape from the cops. He planned to take the girl hostage, right? With the help of girl, he could escape from the cops. He could be free from the cops. What does trick ending in the story mean? What does trick ending in a story mean? Trick ending in the story means an ending which is unexpected and takes the reader by surprise, right? When you started to read the story, you found that the man was criminal, he was having gun also, and girl was all alone. But through just the one trick, the girl could overpower the man and could save her life, and even he helped cops to arrest this criminal. So, trick ending in the story means an ending which is unexpected. You cannot think about that would be the end, and takes the reader by surprise. When there is a sudden twist in the end of a tale means short story, it can be called trick ending. When there is a sudden means without expecting, twist means what I can say, contrasting like. In the end of a tale, it can be called trick ending. How was the ending of the story that the girl was reading similar to what happened in the railway carriage? Carriage means a coach. So girl was also reading a mystery book, right? And in that also she was reading such kind of story only. Let's see what happened in the book. The ending of the story was similar to what was happening in the carriage. A murderer was sitting right next to the girl, and in the end, Just like in the story, she took away his gun. So my dear students, reading is more important, right? Whatever you have read, one way or other way, it can be helpful to you. Did the man really want to shoot at the girl? No, I don't think so. He just wanted the hostage of the girl so that he could escape from the cops. But he really did not want to shoot or kill the girl. The man hoped that she wasn't married. The man hoped that she wasn't married. HOPED. Double P will not come, only PED will come. This was so because if married, then her kids would be missing her. In the case, she had to be killed while executing his plan to take her as a hostage. What he was thinking that beta, if the girl would be married and if by chance only she would be killed by the criminal in this plan, so he would be regret himself. So that's why he thought that the girl looks like unmarried, and that is why it would be easy for him to take her as a hostage and flew from the station. Let's see reference to context. Do you have a pencil, miss? Who said this sentence? Who said this and to whom? The man said to the girl next to him. Answer is, the man said this to the girl next to him. Why did the speaker ask for a pencil? He wanted to write a note telling what to do when the train arrived on the station. Why did the speaker ask for a pencil? He wanted to write a note telling what he wanted to do when the train arrived on the station. Where were these words said? These words were said in the train when they were seated next to each other. What does the speaker's next question? Miss, how to spell business was his next question. Miss, how to spell business was his next question. I hope that you have got the story now. Do the revision properly. Let me tell you one thing. The last question is there, who said to whom? Who said these sentences, right? In that you have to go through the lessons, because some sentences are there. By reading that you will get the idea of the speaker. I am not going to tell you. I am not going to do the revision of that question. You have to do yourself. Thank you so much.